try that lemon. Here, enjoy. Too much? Oh, you don't want to see that. It's my turn here. I'm so sorry, people. Oh my God, it tastes like a lemon. Told you it was so sour. You're evil, lemon. Okay. Next, we're gonna try out these limes. My brother wanted to taste it with this. See what his reaction is. Good. He likes limes, but I don't. Let's see how this goes from here. Go. Okay. Oh my God! Go! Okay, there you go. What does it taste like? Is it sour? Don't feel me. Okay, we're done with that. Okay. Next, we're gonna. Okay, I'm back. Okay, you like limes. Okay, but next, I get to choose. And I get to choose who goes first.